Hello there, welcome back with another episode. On today's episode, we are building a countertop. If you are new on this channel, my name is Robert, and me and my wife, we are building a box truck into the camper. Come along and see how it's going. So this is my size of the countertop, and that's what we're gonna cut it out. Let's see how that goes. Look at this straight cut. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at that piece. Oh my, I'm so happy, you know. Beautiful. Next thing what we're gonna do is sand it. Sander. Let's bring it inside and see what Ashley says about it. Ashley? Don't look. Okay. You can look. What do you think?
Wow.
Looks cool, eh?
Very cool. Is it white or is it blue? We'll never know.
It's all original. It's all what? It's all original. It's all what? It's all original. It's all what? It's all original. It's all original. It's all original. It's all original. You never seen it like this. I got something you don't wanna miss. The best part.
Alrighty, mess continues. Those are lithium battery cells. That's gonna be another video about the lithium battery because I'm gonna try to build my own lithium battery. I'm using them now for the weight because obviously this wood is bending because I glued those little wood pieces on really thin plywood and somehow it's bending, so I kind of put a little structure. I don't know if that's gonna help, I don't think so, but as well I just saw some parts outside and these parts are gonna go here. It's gonna make nice beautiful edge here, so I'm gonna do it right now. That
Best part, I got you on the list. All access, pass on the wrist. So hands up, we gonna celebrate. First look, you do a double take. All day, every day, first place, trophy case. It's about to change the game.
that looks so pretty. Is that?
All these different colors looks like amazing art. You know what I'm trying to say? No?
No.
Oh, okay. Maybe like more cute. I have to be like a bedlight girl. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Look at my counter.
Which one are you talking about?
Oh, this one. Hope you like my counter, guys. So right now we're going to sand off all these little edges.
We already sanded off.
What was the, I didn't say that. No, we already sanded off the edges. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put white on the frame here, make it look nice and clean, and then we're gonna put some laminate over it, like gloss.
Epoxy.
Epoxy?
Epoxy.
Epoxy. We're gonna put epoxy over it.
Tell the world what's happening.
So we're gonna put the epoxy on the counter, and the instruction says that we have to put equal parts resin and hardener into 1 cup. So we're gonna put resin here, hardener here, and pour it into 1 cup. But apparently the reviews say that the fumes are so bad that sometimes it burns through the cup or creates all these fumes and stuff. So we're gonna put masks on. We have gloves on.
Hold it. Put it.
What kind of mask is that? Robert! I look like I'm in a video game. Our neighbors are going to think we're starting a meth lab.
Oh my god, right?
They are. They're going to be like, are they Breaking Bad? Oh, it's thick.
Oh, she's dead.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. You're so clumsy.
These gloves are slippery.
Oh yeah, sure. Butterfingers.
It's hot here.
No, you're just nervous.
It needs to be 75 degrees Fahrenheit as minimum for these ones to mix. So, okay, these are part A. And these gonna be, so these gonna go be here. Oh, this one smells.
Okay, let's go. Any neighbor is looking at our window right now. They're thinking we're nuts.
Slowly mix it.
3 minutes in.
I know this countertop is not perfect. There's a lot of bubbles in the epoxy, and but that's all normal. Nothing in this box truck is perfect, and we just all learn here, and we enjoy the build. This was my and Ashley's first time working with the epoxy, but the end result is amazing. I really love it. It looks so beautiful, glossy, colorful. Exactly what I wanted. Yes, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for new viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.